Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about Canon PIXMA E477 installation. Please don't skip the video. Like, share and subscribe the channel now. Setting up a Canon PIXMA E477 printer involves a few steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Unboxing. Remove the printer from its packaging and make sure you have all the necessary components: the printer, power cord, ink cartridges, and any documentation. 2. Power on and ink installation. Connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a power outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Open the ink cartridge access door. Wait for the cartridge holder to move to the cartridge replacement position. Unpack the ink cartridges and remove the protective tape. Insert them into their respective slots, following the color-coded labels and ensuring they click into place. 3. Paper loading. Slide out the paper input tray and adjust the paper guides to fit the size of the paper you're using. Load a stack of plain paper into the tray, making sure it's aligned properly and not overloaded. 4. Software installation. You can install the necessary drivers and software either from the included CD-ROM or by downloading them from the Canon website. Visit the Canon support website and search for your printer model, PIXMA E477. Download the appropriate drivers and software for your operating system. 5. Driver installation. Run the downloaded driver file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the printer drivers and software on your computer. During the installation process, you may be prompted to choose the connection type. Select the wireless connection option if you plan to connect the printer wirelessly. 6. Wireless setup. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the printer until the power lamp flashes. Press the color button, then the Wi-Fi button. Make sure the Wi-Fi lamp flashes quickly and the on lamp is lit. Follow the instructions on your computer screen to complete the wireless setup process. 7. Test print. Once the installation is complete, try printing a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. 8. Additional features. Depending on your needs, you may want to explore additional features such as scanning and copying. Refer to the printer's manual or online resources for instructions on how to use these features. Remember to keep the printer's software up to date by periodically checking for driver updates on the Canon website. If you encounter any issues during setup, refer to the printer's manual or contact Canon customer support for assistance. Call 1-833-321-1006 now for any doubt.